If you're looking to generate $100,000 in just 90 days, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Launching a high-ticket service business is one of the fastest ways to scale your income, using ChatGPT to assist in various tasks. Choose a profitable niche, set premium pricing, and close 520 clients to reach your goal. Selling digital products allows for limitless scalability, and ChatGPT can help you create high-quality content quickly. Identify a niche, create valuable content, set the right price, and drive traffic to sell your products effectively. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting others' products, with ChatGPT helping you generate content. Focus on high-ticket affiliate programs, create content that converts, and leverage email marketing. A subscription model creates predictable revenue. Offer a service for a monthly fee to scale rapidly. Choose a service, offer tiered pricing, and aim for 200 to 2,000 subscribers in 90 days. Paid advertising is a fast way to generate income. Use ChatGPT to create ad copy and optimize campaigns. Run ads on various platforms, optimize landing pages, and use retargeting to capture leads. Building a SaaS product can be a long-term strategy. Create tools that address automation needs. Identify a problem to solve, create a subscription model, and market your service effectively. With ChatGPT's capabilities, generating $100,000 in 90 days is possible by leveraging these strategies.